What if Bitcoin becomes the only currency in the world?
Imagine, tomorrow morning you wake up and the dollar is gone. There is no euro, no rubles, there are no bank cards. There is only Bitcoin. One currency for the whole planet. What will happen to prices, salaries, states, and you?
There are approximately $105 trillion of money in the world today. Cash, bills, deposits, loans, all together. But there will be only 21 million Bitcoins. This means that the entire global economy should fit into 21 million coins. If you divide all the world's wealth into all BTC, it turns out approximately one BTC is approximately $5 to $10 million. Yes, one Bitcoin is like an apartment in central London.
What happens to salaries? Salaries will no longer be in dollars. They will be in satoshis, the smallest units of Bitcoin. One Bitcoin equals 100 million satoshis. If today you earn $2,000 per month, in a Bitcoin world that would be about 0.0004 Bitcoin per month. Sounds small, but it will be the same for everyone. We will simply switch to smaller units, just like when currencies move to cents. Banks almost disappear. The biggest shock is that banks become mostly unnecessary. Today, banks are needed for transfers, storing money, and providing loans. But Bitcoin can already transfer money directly, store funds without a bank, and operate 24/7 without intermediaries. Millions of banking jobs could disappear, and the financial system could turn upside down within a few years. This could become the biggest financial revolution in history. Governments lose control. The scariest part for governments is that money printing disappears. Today, countries rescue economies by printing money. Crisis, print. Pandemic, print. Recession, print. But Bitcoin cannot be printed, ever. That means money cannot be devalued, hidden inflation taxes disappear, and economies can no longer be rescued with the printing press. Governments lose their main financial control tool. The world becomes cheaper and more expensive at the same time. Without inflation, prices behave differently. Technology becomes cheaper, cars become cheaper, real estate becomes cheaper, because money no longer loses value. Today, people spend because money will be worth less tomorrow. In a Bitcoin world, people spend only when they truly need to. The economy slows down but becomes more stable. The world shifts from consumption to saving. The most unexpected effect. The wealthy stop getting richer automatically. Today, the wealthy benefit from inflation. Assets rise and debts lose value. In a Bitcoin world, debts do not lose value. For the first time in a century, money stops flowing upward. The financial game becomes fairer. A world with a single Bitcoin currency means the end of inflation, the end of money printing, and the end of traditional banks, but the beginning of a new economy where money becomes a truly limited resource. The main question remains, is this a utopia or the harshest financial experiment in history?